When it comes to raising the roof, it's as easy as undoing the 6 two-step cam latches and then heading on into the inside to raise the roof. Okay, so we're going to open up this camper. We're going to have to undo these 6 latches. So let's go around the top. There we have it. Here we are inside the camper. We're in the rear, actually facing the dinette. In order to pop up the top, you just want to undo this sliding barrel lock here. It's actually connected to the folding panel, so just push up on the knob to release some of that tension, let that panel down. This is the push board. This is what we want to push up on. One thing I want to point out too is that you want the door open so you can pull air in as you push this up. This is why we're starting on the rear. Push that up. The lift assist is actually helping. You've got some gas props on the outside. Those are helping. Before you push the panel forward, you want to get this strap out. This is the locking mechanism for the folding panel. Push that forward to lock it. This loops around. Button snaps, that's all you need. Then the bungees can come down. Okay, so we've raised the rear of the camper. Now it's time to raise the front. This is your push board. This is where you want to push. This is also a push board. This is what you're going to use to lock that folding panel forward. So let's do this. I'm just going to get underneath that push board and push up. When you can free up an arm, push forward to lock that. This button snaps out of the way. Next step is to take off our bungee. And that's how quick it is to raise the roof. Okay. So you just want to line up that terminal there with that one there. Push it on, twist it to lock it, and then proceed to screw on the threaded plastic nut. To connect the shower, just start with your lever in the off position, and you're going to want to just push that in and turn it to the left. This is your temperature control. To turn on the shower, it's on the head here. To remove it, just return your lever to the off position. Shut the cover.